What's going on, guys? Nate with Sony here. Are you looking at the A80J OLED and wondering how it compares to the A90J OLED? Then stick around, because I'm about to show you a few of the key differences. One of the main differences between the A80 and the A90 is that the A90 is a Sony Master Series television. The Master Series in 2021 consists of the Z9J 8K LED and the A90J 4K OLED. Master Series are the brightest models with the best processing and features that you'd expect from Sony's flagship televisions. But Master Series goes beyond just picture quality and features some of our best audio technologies, sophisticated designs, and ultimate usability. These are a few of the things that we'll look at as we compare the two TVs. Sony OLED TVs were born from a unique legacy. Not only was Sony the first to produce a consumer OLED, the XDL1, back in 2007, but our award-winning BVM X300 reference monitor has been the gold standard and used by professional movie studios when it comes to color grading movies and TV shows. So when you step up from the A80 to the Master Series A90, you get the best consumer OLED that Sony has ever made, highly inspired by our professional products. Now we'll really get into the differences between the two TVs, and we'll start with brightness. Brightness in an OLED is limited to how effective the panel is at managing the heat that it generates. In the A90, Sony adds an aluminum sheet laminate to the panel. This allows it to utilize more power and increase the brightness. It's not something that's part of the panel when it comes from the factory, but Sony adds this during the production process. And this new addition allows the A90 to achieve a higher peak brightness than the A80. In the A90, we fine-tuned the contrast technology to handle the extra brightness, and we call it XR OLED Contrast Pro. Let's chat for a second about audio. You might already know that Sony OLED TVs have what's called Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. That means that the TV screen is a speaker being vibrated by a set of actuators on the back of the TV to create immersive sound with multi-channel imaging. But on the A90, it gets twice the power. The A80 is pretty impressive. It sounds amazing and it does feature a front-firing subwoofer that the A90 doesn't have. But the A90 is a Master Series, so we gave it twice the juice to enhance your immersive audio experience. The actuators are also larger and provide a wider and fuller frequency range than the A80. We can't talk about audio without me telling you about my favorite feature. Between the two TVs, it's only found on the A90. It's called Center Channel Mode. If you have an AV receiver and a speaker system, Center Channel Mode allows your TV's audio to replace the surround sound system's dedicated center channel. Your TV literally becomes one great big center channel, and it sounds amazing. With the A90, you also get hands-free voice control, which the A80 doesn't have. You get a larger maximum screen size, 83-inch class versus 77-inch class, and a really cool premium backlit remote. The A90 has an upgraded, beautiful design with a new seamless edge concept. And one thing that I really like is that it has an ultra slim black bezel that you barely even notice. And finally, both OLEDs offer Ambient Optimization, which uses a light sensor to automatically adjust the brightness level. But the A90 adds a color sensor, which measures the room's ambient color characteristics. This allows the Master Series A90 to adjust for color accuracy as well, ensuring that the brightness and the colors always look on point and amazing. I hope you liked the video and that you were able to learn a few key differences between the A80J and the Master Series A90J. If you have additional questions and would like to speak with a representative one-on-one, make sure to check out the link in the description below. It'll take you to our one-on-one consultation program. And again, guys, Nate with Sony, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.